Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your 5-minute tour update for Bitcoin. Today we have October the 14th, and attention, the three black crows are here. Guys, we will check this now. What's going on with Bitcoin? Let's go! So here we are, and we are starting for our TikTok friends and Instagram a 3-minute tour update. On the daily, we should buy Bitcoin. You can see it on the summary. On the 4 hours, we should buy Bitcoin. On the 2 hours, we should buy Bitcoin. And also on the 1 hour, we should buy Bitcoin. Nice. I told you on the video yesterday we make a little long position, and I will show you what's going on with this long position. But for now, watch this. We have here a really important point to watch. This is the first support point, the pivot point at 55,000. Remember this, keep this in your mind. And now, guys, I will show you this one. The three black crows are here. It's a bearish reversal pattern with a higher ability that we're going to the downside more and more. This is the 1 hour time frame. It's not the important thing, but if we can see this, it's really possible to going down more and more and more. So attention, guys, attention. This is a danger zone, again, a danger zone. So let's move on to the next thing. Let me show you the chart from Tradingfees before we are talking about this. This is the dominance, and you can see yesterday we saw a spike to the downside with the Bitcoin dominance to about 44 points or 45 points. This was the time for the altcoins yesterday, but now we are going up again. So for the moment, it is better to trade Bitcoin as the altcoins. We will check this now on CoinMarketCap, and you can see Bitcoin is going up with 5%, Ethereum 5.7%, Binance Coin 7%, ADA 3%, XRP 3.7%, and so on and so on. I see here Polkadot 19.8% in the plus, so really nice for Polkadot. Bitcoin dominance is at 45.7%, Ethereum 18%, and now we are going to check the next thing. Tradingfees. What is going on with Bitcoin in this chart here? Let me show you this one here, guys. This is the 4 hour time frame, and this is the picture from yesterday. Yesterday I bought here on the downside, and now we are in the danger zone on the upside. You can see it here. It's a nice little trade to the upside with leverage. You made millions, guys. And now you can see 54,000 was the big support on the downside. I told you if we're going down more and more on under 54,000, I will put a stop loss here, but thanks God it's working here, and now I'm in a good position. For the moment, we are over the Fibonacci 0.786, 57,100, and this is really important now, guys. We need to stay over this. If we will go down under the Fibonacci, I will put a stop loss and I will take profit here from my trade. I'm in the trade from the downside here, really nice. This is a trade, a parallel channel from July. It's about some months here, and that's a parallel uptrend channel, and we are now, and that's the big danger zone on the upper side of this channel, guys. This is really, really dangerous for the moment. It's possible to go down from here. If we will break up more and more, perfect, but it's really possible. So don't forget, take profit. Don't forget set stop loss limits, guys, and take the profit if you are in a long zone. Very important, I'm not a financial advisor. It is not a financial advice. So let's check the next thing. And 3 minutes are over for TikTok and Instagram. Bye, guys. We are moving on with YouTube. The RSI on the downside is really dangerous. Also, you can see it here. This is a bad line here. It's a bad resistance, and we are still under this resistance. And that's the next thing I told you, bearish divergence. Attention. We are building a bearish divergence since longer time here. RSI is going down, Bitcoin price is going up. That's not good for the long time. I think we will see here a big thing in the next few hours, days, we will see, guys. So let's move on. The big parallel channel, the middle line, everything you know, and the big thing to the downside, 0.618. This is the 51,000 Fibonacci. If we will break down under this parallel channel, under 54,000, I think it's really possible to see 51,000, the next Fibonacci. And also the middle line is a big support. Remember this, guys. So now we're going deeper. Sorry. We saw the 4 hour chart. Now this is the 1 hour time frame. Every candle here is 1 hour, and on the 1 hour you can see we saw a nice little spike over this. We broke out a little bit, but we are back down again. In the 1 hour time frame, we are also in a bearish divergence. You can see now this red fat resistance line. We are under this resistance line. So we're going down with the price, and that's the big thing, guys. I told you stop loss on the 0.786, 57,100. This is really important. Okay. The next thing, guys, let me check the next thing. Let's remove the RSI for the moment. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can see the fight now with our Fibonacci line. And now this green fat line on the downside is our big support, guys. Now we are growing with this stop loss at 54,200. Depends always where we will hit this support, if we will hit this support. But this is now the new big stop loss for my long position. From my long position from the downside, I'm on a long position about a longer time here, but if we will break down under 54,000, I will put all this out and wait a little bit, guys. For the moment, I'm in the long position. Okay, everything is working. So it's still possible to see 51,000. I told you 0.6 and 0.5 is the next Fibonacci on 46,000. But we will not speak about this Fibonacci line. It's really, really low, and it's not necessary to speak about this. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit more. And let me show you, last but not least, 5 minutes are over. Sorry about this. The next thing, the last thing before we end this video, and I can show you this one, guys. We saw here, let me check this. Guys, let me check this, sorry. Yes, let me check this. Candlestick patterns, guys. This is now important. Last but not least, let me show you. This is the 1 hour time frame. And now, if you're zooming in a little bit more, you can see our problem. We had here bearish haramis on the upside. Here we saw a really bad downtrend, the bullish engulfing. After this bullish engulfing, we broke out to the upside. Now we saw here this bearish things, a doji, and after this, a downgoing price for Bitcoin. Now we see the bullish harami on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, it's not so important, but you can see these candles are working also on the 1 hour time frame. So bullish harami for the moment, but the candle is very new. We have 1 hour time to close this candle. It's not so important to watch, but if you are trading, this is a really great help for you, I think. So guys, this is the big thing about Bitcoin for today. The 6 minutes are over. Let me check one thing. What is telling us the 4 hour time frame? I have to remove the let me check really quick the candles. Yes, I have to remove the Fibonacci. It's not so perfect. This is perfect because Fibonacci is 57,100, yes, and on the downside, this is perfect. So 57,100, it's the biggest thing for the moment I have to watch, and that's the update for today. I hope you can make some millions with this update, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for your nice comments on YouTube, guys. I need your comments, and I hope you will make millions. It doesn't matter if you go long, if you go short, guys. I hope you make millions with your trades. Yours, Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye, guys. Systematic